motor is inverted, and the brush plate is tightened in a clockwise direction. The single-head adaptive accessory is installed onto the brush head and the telescopic pole head. The angle adaptive gear controls the angle between the pole and the motor. The water pipe at the head of the telescopic pole is inserted into the L-shaped connector of the motor. Lithium battery version is installed. Install the lithium battery with a spring wire and connect the other end of the spring wire to the cable connector at the end of the telescopic pole. Connect the tail water pipe and connect the high-pressure water pipe. Turn on the power switch. Mains version installation. They are connected simultaneously to the corresponding connectors at the end of the telescopic pole. The water inlet pipe is connected to the water source. Once the water supply and rotation switch are turned on, the device can operate.